I know, I've been seeing this happen. It happened to one of my videos. They took my video and they posted a link to the fake Tideway and duped people. So I am linking the actual Tideway here. They don't have this gold and white one anymore. So if you click on a link and you're getting a gold and white one, it's not the actual Tideway. Number one. Number two, make sure it actually says Tideway on it, and make sure the store you're buying it from says Tideway. And if you see my video again and this isn't the profile picture you see, it's not me. It's not my link. I decided I wanted to try one of these because I follow at least 2 different hairdressers on this app who really promote it and love it. My favorite thing about it is that it's lightweight. It's not heavy, but it has lots of power.